So we are getting ready for the track today. We've tuned it on E85 and we just found out we were running on 7 cylinders. There's that, and here's the spark plug. You can tell this is the only one that hasn't been firing. So one of these days we're gonna run on all 8 cylinders, and I think that day is today.
Right now we are installing the diaper.
Retention device.
The oil retention device. It's a new rule this year, so we're getting it on so we can go fast. You want to see your diaper?
It's about to be hard.
What's about to be hard?
I drive hard and take chances.
Drive
What's that,
hard.
Mike?
You only got one?
Yeah, it's an O'Reilly's one.
Yeah, that's good.
What are you doing, Brooks?
Well, repairing the spark plug wire that was completely shot. Because, well, you know, when you drive hard and take chances, sometimes things get a little hot.
Hey, we're over zip tie.
Yeah. Well, that one went over the headers, and these ones are going to go under now, so we'll have a lot less of a chance to screw something up.
What is that? I don't think this car's ever seen one of those.
I was supposed to have magnets on it. Huh. Guess it don't.
Once we found out the price of the paint, Brooks probably bought one of those.
Have you told him how much your paint is?
$2,000 a gallon for jalapeno red. Sorry, jalapeno red. Jalapeno. Jalapeno.
almost 130.
Yeah, vlog, pretty fun hard off the start.
So how was that pass though?
It felt so good. Felt so like we also need to take preload out of the passenger side because I had Kai sitting in here. It's trying to drive that way because there's too much preload on that side. Okay. He weighs like 60 pounds more than me.
Wow.
So can you grab a 9/16 wrench and on that side take 3 turns out of the preload on that?
What was your mile an hour in?
128.
11.2.
Yep, 11.2, and that's with a 1.860 foot. My launch control didn't kick on, so I don't know why that was. And it was just fat rich, dude. It's hauling.
Better rich than lean though.
Oh, it feels so good. Like it's pulling. I'm just like as soon as that boost
saw
kicked in,
you.
I was like, ah!
It's throwing you back in the seat.
Oh yeah. It feels so good. It feels so good. We're gonna if we don't get the mile an hour or the time on the next pass, we're cranking the boost up.
Yeah.
We're getting the license pass tonight.
How much boost are you running right now?
So it said my max was 15 pounds, but most way through the run it was 13. So like it came up on 15 pounds like for 0.2 seconds, and then it dropped down to 13. So 13 pounds.
Gotcha.
It feels incredible.
Brooks, what's that in your hand right there?
Oh, look at that! Oh man, I got my sticker. 100 mile an hour, 110, 120. We're going for 130 now. We're at 128 that last pass with no launch control. Dude, our next pass, we're gonna hit 135.
Better.
Oh man, it felt so good. Woo! Your mullet is blocking the sun.
Yeah, mullet boy. Guy straight from Dogtown.
Hey, how was your pass?
I broke 100.
You broke 100?
Yeah.
Were you spinning the whole way?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit.
First 2 gears, yeah.
What kind of car you got? Oh, the neon.
Stockish.
Hell yes. So we got a bunch of stickers. I'm excited. We're gonna get that 130 mile an hour sticker tonight. Tonight!
So how was that one?
Really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it felt really good.
How many pounds did you get that one?
We ran about 12 and a half pounds, 13 pounds the whole pass.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need to stay in boost longer. I'm not shifting fast enough. My boost drops in between shifts to 10 pounds.
Are you flat foot shifting?
I'm not. I don't have that set up anymore.
Yeah.
I could just try to power shift it.
Yeah. What was your mile an hour?
131.
Time?
11.1. It was definitely faster.
Yeah.
I think it was, yeah. The last pass was 11.2. That was an 11.1.
Nice.
Yeah, exactly. But it was still just dead rich on top, so
Yeah.
it takes more out of it.
Six at 134.
I got so much adrenaline going, I'm shaking.
What'd you get?
10.6 at 134. Almost 135 miles an hour. Man, that was so good.
Are you turning up the boost?
I was,
Dude, your
I
front end
was,
picked up when you banged second.
huh?
I have a slow-mo video of it.
No way.
Yeah. Your
Are
front
you
end,
serious?
Your front end picked up in second, dude. Because I barely got it. I barely got it on camera, dude. I was trying to rush, and then I stopped and tried to do a slow-mo. Budge. Boom, there's second. You came off the fucking ground in second.
Dude, it's making some power. It feels so good. Oh man, I gotta look at the data log.
Are you turning up the boost or no?
Probably a little bit. Dude, we're at 0.6 seconds away from 9s.
Yeah.
It felt so good. No backfire on third. Oh man.
That was good. It looked good too.
It felt so good. How does it sound? Like
It sounds great. I have another video I can show you.
bring it down to like 42.
The freaking the help, the like you guys here, the it feels so good. It feels so good, dude. We're half a mile an hour away from our license passes.
Yeah.
We can do 2 passes at over 135 miles an hour. I get my license and we can run 999s legally.
Gotta get her done.
I know. We're gonna do it. I'm gonna run 9s tonight. I'm gonna run 9s right now. I'm so excited.
Oh, 10, what was that? 10 what?
You?
Yes, I did.
So I left that there on accident?
Yeah.
The whole time. Like, you know how you leave your faucet on really slow?
Yeah.
The whole time it's just streaming out. I'm like, ah! Like I'm soaked the whole fucking time.
What was your
I
time
feel
on
like
that
I pissed
one?
myself. 10.4 at 135. Yes! The fastest I've ever been. 2 tenths
10.4?
faster.
10-4.
10.4. Yeah, we almost got a 9-second car.
Yeah.
And
Almost
she
140
sounds
mile an
so
hour
good,
car,
like
too.
it's such a blur. At like I'm just like, ah! But it's still like
5 more mile an hour too.
it's still nice because with this transmission, I'm not shifting every 2 seconds.
Right. So we could potentially hit your 140 mark tonight. So
I would love to. Let me see what our boost was at with that change, and I might have you do the same this time. It definitely felt like there was more boost in it. It felt so good.
It looked good.
The launch, we brought it up a couple hundred RPM because it was 200 slower than the last one because I dropped it 500 RPM.
Yeah.
We went through that sweet spot.
.7 at 133. Got his license pass. Smile.
Dude, we have a solid 10-second car. Boost cut.
Really?
Every gear.
What?
Yeah, we raised the boost.
Yeah.
And it was hitting 18 pounds. The boost cut was at 18 pounds. So
Oh.
that's why it was only 10.7.
Yeah.
She's falling.
That's sweet.
Every gear was like, I had to shift at 4,400 RPM in every gear
Really?
because I hit boost cut. I'm like, no, I forgot. I knew as soon as it hit the first one. I'm like, ah.
Did you turn it down or did you raise the boost cut to 20?
Turn what down?
The boost down or you raised
I
it?
turned the boost cut to 25 pounds.
Oh man.
Dude, it would have gone a 9 that fast.
Yeah, it was. Your launch is brutal.
Yo, yeah, it feels brutal too. Like it's just.
It looks sweet though. It looks so good going down the track.
Yeah.
What was that mile an hour, that one?
134, hitting boost cut, running a 10.7.
It was a 10.7, 134.
133.68.
Your 60 foot?
60 foot was 1636.
Nice.
Spun a little. I'm probably gonna lower it back down to where it was.
Yeah.
Because I feel like it did better. So I had the. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna put it down 100 RPM and see what it gets me.
Hell yeah, good.
Boost cut, every gear. What?
You're leaving them hanging.
Who? Oh.
That's gonna be in the video.
What are you talking about?
I was like,
I'm trying to fist bump for like 20 minutes.
I was like, good shit.
Oh, I still had no idea what you were doing.
He's like, what are you trying to hand me?
I'm just so excited.
Yeah. Are you gonna pull that chute?
Dude, that last pass, like, she was hauling. I passed the stripe and I forgot to let off. I probably got to 140 easy. Oh, I bet those brakes were glowing.
I'm sure they were. Might need some new ones before race week.
Yeah, and I took a little more fuel out. The AFRs were so good.
Yeah.
It was 10.60 and I want to be at like 11.1. So, dude, I took it down another point.
Oh yeah, sweet. Oh, sick rollers. Sick rollers. He pulled it.
How'd that feel?
Amazing!
Look at that smile. How was it? First time pulling a chute.
Oh my gosh, that is such a cool feeling. It worked flawless. Dude,
Yeah?
It worked so perfect. Yeah. 137 miles an hour.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Oh my gosh, that was so good. So good. Thanks for
Nice.
leaving me hanging on the fist bump like I did to you.
Oh yeah, of course. I got you.
137! I thought it was gonna go faster.
Yeah,
That
we're
was faster.
surprised it didn't go faster.
Yeah, so it was all, I didn't leave on any boost because I didn't get on the two-step fast enough.
Yeah.
The last time they gave me more than enough time to get ready, and then by the time I left, I think it was at like 0.0 pounds. I was on negative boost. I was at like vacuum pressure when I left.
Really?
That's why I didn't go as fast, yeah.
Are you gonna try one more?
Oh yeah,
or-
yeah, we need to pack the chute and we'll do one more.
Yeah, let's do it. He's hauling! Oh, man.
How'd that one feel?
So we officially have a 10-second car every pass. The last pass, I don't know what happened. I probably didn't turn the launch control on because most of the time it's always my fault because I'm an idiot. But I launched at 6,000 RPM and blew the tires off, did a 1.9 60 foot and still ran a 10.9 at 138. So yeah, and the parachute works. We also packed the parachute the second time and it still came out. So we don't suck as bad as you might think we do. Except for Kai, he does. Those go in the red Milwaukee box. How many passes we made? I feel like we made a lot. 6?
6 probably.
6 passes?
Yeah.
We got our license passes done, so we had to make 2 passes, either over 135 miles an hour or faster than 999. And the one pass we hit boost cut and got 18 pounds, but after that we only got 15 pounds. So I think we need to give the boost controller a little bit more, another quarter turn and get some more boost and we'll be in business. She's gonna run 9s, pretty dang easy. Not to mention the tires that we're running on are, they're at the wear bars. So the fact that we're doing like the good 60 foot we did was a 1.5 60 foot and ran a 10.4 at 137. She's hauling. And that was at 15 pounds of boost. If we would have had 18 pounds of boost, no doubt in my mind she would have gone 10 flats or 9s. So I'm excited. Thanks to Kai, thanks to Reese, thanks to Justin, my wife, all of you guys for watching. It's been a hell of a journey and we're just gonna get faster. So drive fast, take chances. We'll see you guys later.